Hey, welcome to the Gavilan Life. My name's Derek. I need to get rid of some squirrels, and you're probably bored at home figuring out what you're going to watch on YouTube, so we might as well have some fun together, so come along. I got one at 90 yards. Got him. He went down for a second, popped back up. Had to take the opportunity. I just laid in an anthill. Look at this. I gotta get out of here. They're already taking over everything. Look at that. Oh, and they bite. Look at these ants, you guys. They're freaking vicious. You can't even flick them off your shirt. Oh, they're going inside. Jeez. Good Lord. Gotta be careful where you lay. I got one at 67 yards. Oh, went right through him. Wow. I'm still itching from all the ants, you guys. Man, not only is it squirrel season, you guys, it's ant season. And this position that I'm in right now, this location, is loaded with tall grass and ants. I gotta change to a place that's a lot drier. So let's go up the hill a little bit. Okay, I see one just ahead. It's about 50 yards, just ahead. Wind coming from the right. Oh, there he is. Another one about 80 yards. Where is he? Oh, he went down. There he is. I don't have my rangefinder, so I'm just guessing here. Okay, he's right by the feeder. No way. There's no way that missed. He's back. Got him. How did that first one miss? Okay, that last shot was 72 yards, but it just goes to show that, 10 mile per hour winds can really throw that bullet a lot. Crazy. Yowzer. It's a boy. I got one at 71 yards. The wind is picking up. Everything's luck from here on out. Oh my God. No way. All the cows are making their way this way, and right up on this plateau, there's just too much wind, so I'm gonna drop down back behind the plateau where there's less wind. Nailed him. Okay, we have a squirrel going after the one I just shot. I don't know if it's going to eat it or try to pull it back in the hole. But I got a headshot ready. Got him too. Hey, these squirrels will eat each other. A lot of people don't know that. But either way, they some nasty critters. Hey, little buddy. Let's do one more. I'm out here by the pool. This is an area where the cats used to patrol, but I don't know why the squirrels have come back in full force, so we're gonna thin them out a little bit. So let's do one more and see what we can do. The wind's kicking up and it's blowing this little 16 grain bullet around big time. Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure to subscribe and like this video, share it with a friend who likes to hunt, and have a good time. Appreciate you, and we'll see you on the next video.